Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. Today we are covering the coaster step, all right? So when you're in class and your teacher says coaster step right here, you know what he or she is talking about. So a coaster step is a triple step. It is 3 steps to it, and you do it in 2 counts of music, okay? So you do it in the 1 and 2. Three steps in 2 counts of music. All right. So they can start on the right or the left. I'm going to start with the right. All right. So you're going to step back with the right and then together with the left. And then you step forward with the right. And you're going to shift your weight when you step forward with that right. So the 3 steps are back, together, and then forward. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. So back, together, forward. And again, shift your weight because more than likely you're going to do something that you need your left foot for, whether it's a pivot turn or who knows. All right. So coaster step, back, together, forward. 1 and 2. Okay. And then you can also do it. Let me show you from this angle. Back, together, forward. 1 and 2. Okay. And you can also start it with on the left foot. Back, together, forward, back, together, forward. Okay. 1 and 2. All right. Let me show you this angle. Back, together, forward. 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. That's the left coaster step. And the right coaster step, 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. And then you keep going. All right. The left, 1 and 2. Keep going. Okay. 1 and 2. That's the coaster step. All right. So do me a favor, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's get out here and dance and know what we're doing when we get out there. Thanks, everyone. Y'all be good. See you in the next video. Mwah.